Almost got him in his sights.
Here we go. Shinsuke Nakamura.
Oh, no. Wait a minute.
Styles.
Oh, no. Styles clash.
Center of the ring.
Cover. Randy Orton might be out cold here. Can Jinder Mahal put away the Viper?
Going for the Colossus.
Oh. KO. He got him. Good night, Randy Orton.
The Intercontinental Champion with the devil in his eye. Here we go.
Kevin Owens, though. KO got a big cue, and it cost him. And a stop by Seth Rollins. Looking to pull out all the stops.
Dolph wants to guarantee.
It's Rollins' turn. Falcon Arrow. How do you stop this guy?
Johnny Gargano, who now says it's time for me to give you a taste of your own medicine. Oh, wow. That could be the knockout blow. Almost looking for that draping hammerlock DDT. He spikes Gargano.
And now Miz struggling to make it back to his feet. Roman Reigns back to his feet.
Oh!
A spear! A spear by Reigns!
Does AJ have anything left in the tank?
We're going to find out real quick.
There we go. Here comes the storm. AJ. Oh!
Bottom of the F5.
Calf crusher.
Oh my God!
Calf crusher. It's locked in.
Calf crusher to the injured knee.
Can you imagine if the Beast submits?
We may not have to imagine. That's a way to counter.
Good God.
That's how to counter.
Lesnar just dribbled AJ Styles' skull like a basketball.
And Matt Hardy is defenseless. And Finley, oh my God, he really has Matt Hardy trapped here. It beat the hell out of him.
How the hell do they think of doing something like this?
No. Oh, God. What the hell is wrong with this guy? And this could be Dean Ambrose. Oh.
Dean Ambrose can barely stand up, much less lift that ladder and set it up.
Look at the ladder. Oh my God, the ladder.
Seth Rollins buckled in half.
Ambrose has got the ladder set up. Now here's the question.